Today we're going to do a simple backup. So we'll create a couple of files in my documents and then we'll back it up into another folder or another drive. First of all, I've on my virtual machine, I've created a brand new virtual hard drive. I haven't initiated it yet. Let's go do that now. I'm going to initiate it and then format it. Shouldn't take too long. In the search, you can just simply type disk management. This is probably the quickest way to get there. And then create and format disk partitions. And then up here, we'll get initialized disk. I'm going to create as GPT if I can. Yep, it's been initiated. And might be able to see here now, it's allocated. It's only 10 gigs, so not that much. But I am going to right click there and create a new simple volume. Next, I'm going to use all of it. I'm going to assign it to E. Actually, we'll make it, make it E is fine in this example. So I'm giving it a drive name, NTFS. I'll call it backup drive. Perform a quick format is fine. Enable file and folder compression. For backups, that's actually not a bad idea to do that. Because backups, you're not going to use the backups a lot, so it's good to compress it actually. But I'm just going to leave it empty for now. But I recommend that in a production environment, you use that. Finish, and it shouldn't take too long. It might take a few seconds. So the E drive should be up and running. Let's go to my this PC. Yeah, there we go. We have the backup drive up and running. So now let's perform a backup. So what we'll do is we will create a couple of files in documents. So I'm just going to write stuff. Not very creative. File one. Again, I'm not going to be that creative. I'm just going to put stuff, some things that are in there. Save it. I'm going to do save as. Just going to do that a couple of times. Maybe 2 more times. Okay. Maybe just make that a bit bigger. Just copy and paste that. Just to get a bit of some files in there. I mean, if you want, we can just go to a web page, maybe download some images. Go to Google. I'll just download a picture of a funny cat. Yeah, that cat looks pretty funny. Right click and let's go to open image in the new tab. Right click, save image as, and we'll put it into my into stuff. Yeah, funny cat. Okay, there it is. All right, so now we're going to back up this folder now. So we will now go into, excuse me, go to Start and Control Panel. Move my face out of the way. We'll just go to, we'll search for Control Panel. That's the best way to search for that now. And then we will move over to, let's do category over here, view by large icons. This is a brand new fresh copy of Windows 10 I've installed. And we want backup and restore. Just up here. Awesome. Windows Backup has not been set up. So let's set up backup. And I've got the backup drive. You can't back up on the same drive, but we can back up to the backup drive on E. Go to next. What do you want to back up? You can let Windows choose. I prefer to choose myself. And I'm going to back up it well, it's telling me that I can, the kind of things that I want to back up, but I don't want to back up everything. I just want to back up my documents library. I'm just double checking. That should be, I just want to back up my documents. That's pretty much all I need. Go to next. Save settings and run backup. It's backup in progress. Let's see how long that'll take. Shouldn't take too long. It's probably less than a megabyte, I think. Go right click on stuff. Yeah, it's only like 12 kilobytes, so it won't be long. There. Okay, done. That's finished. And if we go into our newly created backup drive, we should see, yeah, there we go. So that's created a file folder and a bin folder that contains our backup. You can run regular backups as well, which is not a bad idea. You can set an event. So I might show you that really quickly, actually. I'll demonstrate how to do this regularly, so you don't even have to worry about this anymore. You just set and forget. So we'll do that as bonus content. Okay, so let's type backup and restore. Backup settings should be fine here. This is a different way, slightly different. What we're going to do in this scenario, there's many ways to do different things here. And actually, let's finish off. Let's do it this way first. We'll complete this way. So we're on the same technology. This is invented Windows 7, which is why you got backup and restore Windows 7, but it still works. We can change settings over here. It shows new next backup. It's going to do it already for us. We can change it says the schedules every Sunday. We can go to change settings and we can change that when they get scheduled. Just double checking something. So if we go to next and let me choose, and there's a little setting that I couldn't find. It was hiding from me. So that's why I had to pause the video and try and find it where it was. It's hiding. So change schedule. So now it'll update every week. You can do weekly or monthly or daily. Might do it daily. And 7 p.m. Now 7 p.m. everyone's working 7 p.m. We'll do it 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, save settings and done. So we've got that regular schedule for the backup. All right, so say, for example, we accidentally delete that folder. Let's do that now. So I'm going to accidentally delete that folder. And I'm also going to go to the rubbish bin there and accidentally delete it there too. It's gone forever. There are some other tools we can try and chase that and find it. But just pretend we can't. And what we're going to do is we're going to restore the files. So same backup and restore, Windows 7, restore my files. And let's browse for folders. backup of C and users, documents, stuff. There we go. Next, where would you like to restore the folder files? Up to you. You might want to, I prefer to back it up on another media just in case that hard drive failed. But anyway, in the original location is fine. Your files have been restored. View restored files, and there it is. There they are. Let's make sure the funny cat's still happy there. And that's it. That's how you back up and restore. It is as simple as that. It really is. My advice to you is get yourself a portable hard drive on your local devices. They're not that expensive. You can get one that has 1 terabyte for like around about $100. So probably even cheaper. And just make that connect it to a USB-C or USB whatever to your machine, and just do a regular backup and just set and forget. Pretty awesome. But thank you very much for viewing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.